Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can check phone specifications on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type DevCheck. Now you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now you can check out informations about your dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!